Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to request a payment plan for your Geico insurance bill. Alright, it's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste too much time on this topic. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. So the first step is going to be to log into your Geico account. You can choose to log in on the online platform, that's the Geico website, or you can choose to log in on the Geico mobile app. And once you're logged into your account, you're going to click on billing and then just select payment plan. And the next thing you're going to need to do is to enter your payment information, including your bank account or your credit card details. Once you have that entered, you're going to need to review and confirm your payment plan. To go ahead and do that, review that carefully, and if it's all good, just confirm your payment plan and submit your request. And once you have that done, Geico is going to take care of the rest for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to request a payment plan for your Geico insurance bill. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.